Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Home Depot Inc. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Home Depot Inc., start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.homedepot.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Home Depot homepage. Once on the home page, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Contact Us in the search bar and hit Enter. Browse through the search results until you find the Contact Us link. Click on the Contact Us link to access their customer service options. You will see a variety of contact methods displayed, including phone numbers, email options, and live chat. Choose the contact method that best suits your needs. If you prefer to speak directly, note the customer service phone number provided. For immediate assistance, consider using the live chat feature. If you wish to send an email, look for the email contact form. Fill out the required fields in the form, providing as much detail as possible. Be sure to include your contact information for a timely response. If you have a specific store in mind, you can locate store information on the website. To find a store, use the Store Finder option located in the main menu. Enter your zip code or city to locate the nearest Home Depot. Once you find your local store, note the contact information listed. You can also reach out through social media. Visit Home Depot's official pages on platforms like Facebook or Twitter. Send a direct message or post your inquiry publicly, depending on your preference. Check if Home Depot has a mobile app for additional convenience. Download the app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, explore the app for features that allow you to connect with customer service. Now you are equipped with various ways to connect with Home Depot Inc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.